Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Tiara, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm coming at you with another quick and easy video. I wanted to show you guys a couple of my favorite go-to snacks. Check it out. This is one of my favorite go-to snacks. It has the sweet, it has the savory, and it has the fiber from the chia seeds. It's so fulfilling, it's really perfect. So I ended up putting the fruit salad into a different container for you guys because I really wanted you to see the variety of colors within this salad. I really do think it makes your food more appealing when it looks better, and I think it just enhances the whole experience. So the yogurt bowl is finished, but at this point, I literally find any excuse to add chia seeds to my meals. So I'm going to enhance this yogurt bowl by adding a few chia seeds. As you know, chia seeds has a lot of nutrients as well as fiber, and I'm just trying to stay regular, y'all. Y'all, this sweet and salty trail mix to die for. I stand by it. Please try it if you get the opportunity. I personally found it at Kroger, but I'm not sure if any other grocery stores carry it. I promise you, this is not sponsored. Find whatever protein powder mix that works best for you. But I will say this particular powder tastes really delicious and it doesn't have a weird aftertaste. As per usual, you know I am all about elevating the eating experience, elevating the drinking experience. So go ahead and get your wine glass out. You know, that way you can walk around your house feeling bad and bougie, feeling like a boss, even when you're in your sweatpants or pajamas. Cheers to being a boss and cheers to self-love. We have reached our final snack for today. I wanted to tell you guys that they do offer these chocolate rice cakes in the mini form. So they're like the same size as chips and they're absolutely delicious. And they have a really low calorie as well. So it has a really good portion size for a low amount of calories. And it's absolutely delicious. I know I keep saying delicious, but I mean it. And just like that, this dessert is complete. But as per usual, we're going to elevate this meal a little more with this coconut whip topping. It's only 10 calories per 2 tablespoons, and it's vegan, dairy-free, gluten-free, and non-GMO. I mean, come on, you can't go wrong with that. And need I say, it tastes delicious. Thank you all so much for tuning in to this video. And if you're new here, please feel free to join the family. If you like these kind of videos, please hit the thumbs up button and comment down below. Love and light, y'all.